Are you ready to discover the coolest gadgets that will blow your mind? In this video, we're showcasing the latest tech that's sure to excite you. From cutting-edge devices to unique accessories, we've got the innovations that will make your life easier and more fun. Curious about what's new and exciting? Stick around as we explore the gadgets that are making waves right now. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible devices. XFLY Ornithopter Drone. The XFLY sensor-assisted ornithopter drone is a groundbreaking leap in drone technology. Featuring advanced algorithms, a 6-axis gyro, and precision sensors, it delivers smooth and stable flight. The stall prevention system ensures straight-line flying and wind resistance, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. A third-generation wing flapping mechanism boosts propulsion, enabling unmatched maneuverability and gliding capabilities. With a flight range of 150 meters, replaceable battery, and shock-absorbing wings, it offers endless possibilities. The app-controlled interface and modular features, including LED modules and buzzers, enhance user interaction. The XFLY drone blends organic design with cutting-edge performance for a unique aerial experience. KONSIVY Pro Multifunctional Wi-Fi Telescope. Searching for an all-in-one telescope that captures breathtaking moments? The KONSIVY Pro combines 4K imaging with a 920mm equivalent focal length, offering stunning views and video recording simultaneously. It features 3 focus modes: single, auto, and manual, ensuring sharp, clear images for every scenario, from birdwatching to astrophotography. With 10x optical and 2.3x digital zoom, you get unparalleled range and clarity. Its OLED screen, ergonomic buttons, and HDMI compatibility add unmatched convenience. Built-in Wi-Fi allows real-time sharing and editing via its app. Powered by a rechargeable battery with 5-hour continuous usage and simultaneous charging, KONSIVY Pro is perfect for capturing every detail of your adventures. INTERHOK Magnetic Charge and Data Cable. The INTERHOK Magnetic Charge and Data Cable is a game-changing solution for USB-C devices, offering 240 watts power delivery for lightning-fast charging and USB 4 technology for 40 gigabits per second data transfer. It is built for efficiency. The magnetic connector ensures a hassle-free connection while protecting your USB-C port from wear and dust. Designed with durability in mind, the cable features eMark for safety during high-speed charging. A convenient LED indicator displays charging status at a glance. Compatible with a variety of devices, this cable combines strength, speed, and versatility to simplify your charging needs. The INTERHOK cable redefines connectivity for modern devices. MASVERANO Wallet. Looking for a sleek wallet that combines functionality and style? The MASVERANO wallet holds up to 5 banknotes and 8 cards in its dual slots, making organization effortless. Crafted with durable materials and RFID blocking technology, it ensures security and longevity. Its minimalist design is enhanced with optional colorful bands and a forged carbon series for a touch of elegance. Lightweight and customizable, it adapts to your daily needs while elevating your look. Perfect for travel or everyday use, the MASVERANO wallet offers a versatile solution for modern individuals who value both practicality and aesthetics. UGOT Robotic Kit. The UGOT Robotic Kit is the ultimate platform for exploring robotics and artificial intelligence. With a modular design, it allows users to build over 7 robots with ease. Featuring powerful AI functions like gesture and posture recognition, FPV driving, and speech recognition, it offers a rich, interactive experience. Equipped with interchangeable sensors, magnetic encoding actuators, and natural mode engagement, UGOT simplifies robotics while expanding creative possibilities. The app provides 3D assembly guides, AI follow modes, and interactive games for added fun. Compatible with ChatGPT, UGOT also functions as a personal AI assistant. Its innovative design makes robotics accessible and exciting for all users. NAPILLOW. Need ultimate comfort and noise cancellation for your travels? NAPILLOW combines adjustable earmuffs with 7-layer industrial-grade noise-canceling technology, reducing ambient noise by up to 35 decibels. Its 3D dual-axis support and plush memory foam ease neck strain, providing stable comfort during long journeys. The earmuffs are removable, adding versatility to its design, while the stain-resistant, cool-touch fabric ensures lasting comfort. Perfect for planes, trains, or cars, NAPILLOW delivers uninterrupted relaxation and refreshed energy. Whether for business trips or vacations, it's your ultimate companion for peaceful, comfortable travels. SUNKOS heater. The SUNKOS heater is a fast and innovative far-infrared electric heating solution that delivers comforting warmth in just 3 seconds. Designed to mimic sunlight warmth, it operates without wind, light, noise, or causing dry skin, ensuring a serene environment. Its advanced aramid fiber mesh and efficient heating film provide steady, penetrating warmth for spaces up to 2 square meters. Flame-retardant materials and temperature algorithm sensors enhance safety, making it ideal for families with children or elderly members. With Alexa integration and easy portability, it suits any room or semi-open space. Enjoy warmth without air movement interference. Perfect for relaxing or working on DIY projects. ALLPOWERS S5000 Portable Home Battery. The ALLPOWERS S5000 Portable Home Battery is the ultimate energy backup with an impressive 5,000 watt-hours capacity, expandable to 80 kilowatts per hour, delivering 3,600 watts output. It powers essential devices during blackouts or outdoor adventures. Recharging in just 1.5 hours, it offers unparalleled convenience. A smart energy management system reduces electricity costs and grid dependency, promoting eco-friendly living. Compact and durable, it includes advanced safety features for worry-free use. Weather camping, managing home power, or preparing for emergencies. The S5000 is versatile and reliable, offering seamless and sustainable power solutions. AKASO SEEMOR. The AKASO SEEMOR AI full-color night vision goggles redefine low-light observation with advanced AI ISP technology. Offering lifelike color visuals in ultra-low light, the high-sensitivity sensor delivers 4K resolution clarity with a 500 to 1,000 meter range and 16x digital zoom. Switch between color and infrared modes for optimal visibility in complete darkness. The goggles feature a 3-axis gyroscope and crosshair for precise tracking and angle adjustment. Equipped with 3,200 mAh rechargeable batteries, they ensure up to 8 hours of runtime, suitable for night hunting, wildlife observation, or search and rescue. Lightweight and durable, the SEEMOR goggles elevate outdoor exploration to a new level. Chasing F1 Pro Smart Drone. The Chasing F1 Pro Smart Drone elevates fishing with its 360-degree HD camera, GPS, and automatic cable reel. This innovative underwater drone captures stunning footage, live streams moments, and lets you mark fishing spots for next trips. Its advanced camera provides breathtaking visuals, while its compact and durable design ensures reliable performance in various aquatic environments. Effortlessly share your adventures on social media and enjoy unparalleled precision with GPS technology. The F1 Pro transforms fishing into a high-tech experience, making it an essential tool for anglers and underwater enthusiasts seeking convenience, fun, and cutting-edge innovation. BRIGHTLOC. The BRIGHTLOC combines a high-grade U-lock with a 360-degree lighting system for unparalleled cycling safety. Constructed with hardened steel and a double deadbolt, it secures your bike while detachable light modules ensure visibility in all conditions. Its FL1 certified headlamp offers up to 1,000 lumens, enhancing night rides and camping trips. Modular and durable, BRIGHTLOC adapts to any bike type, making it versatile for city commuters or outdoor adventurers. Designed to address road safety and property security, it encourages cycling by providing confidence and convenience. BRIGHTLOC is the ultimate accessory for cyclists prioritizing protection and visibility on every ride. EISENMAN Cordless UVC Lamp. The EISENMAN Cordless UVC lamp revolutionizes sanitization with its portable, chemical-free design. Powered by a Stanley cold cathode lamp, it eradicates pathogens quickly, even in hard-to-reach places. With up to 6 hours of battery life, it ensures uninterrupted disinfection. The patented suction cup offers versatile placement, while the PIR sensor provides safety by pausing operation when movement is detected. Controlled via a mobile app, it is user-friendly and efficient. Ideal for homes, offices, or travel, the EISENMAN UVC lamp guarantees reliable sanitation wherever you go, ensuring a healthier and safer environment. Limitless Backpack. Closing our list is the Limitless Backpack, a perfect blend of rugged durability and sleek style, designed for city dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Crafted with a graphene-integrated polyester matrix, it provides weather resistance and holds up to 25 liters of gear. Its versatile compartments accommodate laptops, tripods, or wine bottles, with thermo-insulated lining for added functionality. Sidekick accessories like the Shirt Master and ultralight tote bags enhance its utility. Lightweight yet robust, it adapts to various scenarios, from commutes to rugged excursions. Combining innovation and practicality, the Limitless backpack meets the needs of a dynamic, on-the-go lifestyle. Goodbye for now. Which of these cool gadgets got you the most excited? Are you planning to grab one for yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting finds. See you in the next video.